960! Here's our source code right there. Let's fucking go. Okay, in the logging configuration, we have this new variable letting us know if logging is turned on for the integer map printer. And then in DACFAD, within DACFAD calculating cache binary FATA value that caches FATA information in these lookup tables, we added an about this function section. And we don't got fucking time to read this. It's just a summary of what this function is all about. Okay, if we scroll down, right here, we've removed this error because now we are encountering this line of code. And then down here in the bomb area function section within bomb area unit test main, we have the section called print to console, which is directly beneath this check this simulation code. So if the simulation unit test passes for the current simulation tile map, we want to log out this tile map to the console, but only if log imprint is turned on. I don't want to fucking see this every single goddamn time I start up the engine, okay? Down here in bomb simp, the simple bomb simulation code function section, if we scroll down here, we did not change this function. This is the always in bounds emit from center blast function that guarantees that the bounds of the explosion does not straddle more than one level pack. We didn't change this. I just accidentally fucking highlighted it. But down here in the emit from center functions section, we have bomb simp emit from center a spark where we're not guaranteeing that we are within bounds of the current level pack where the explosion is happening. Like, we could straddle more than one level pack when this explosion goes off. Here's the room index of the explosion, the XY tile of the explosion in 1x tiles, data pixel index of the FATA tile, and then the bomb that is emitting the sparks. So this use hunk variable is 7 letters, and I made a mistake here where I typed use underscore hunk. So I'm fixing that bug right here, and I'm fixing the bug right here. And we did hit this code here, so we're going to have to do this logic in the next video, okay? Down here, fix the bug here. So all these different places where I type use hunk would need to be just use hunk, not use underscore hunk, just use hunk as one letter. And we're out of fucking time. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. I don't have any fucking time here. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. I'm making Bomberman, but an MMO. If you like Bomberman, you're going to fucking love this. You need to like and subscribe. My name's Kanji Coder.